And there is a very clear correlation. For each 1% drop in China's domestic investment equals a 0.6% drop in Africa. So at a high level, I'm really, really worried that this feedback loop phenomenon is now gone into reverse. The rand has collapsed, the South African currency, which is the best proxy to see what is happening in this relationship. So I think, I was looking through some of the forecasts. African Development Bank was talking about 3.1% GDP expansion in 2020. Forget it. You're going to be less than 1%. This is an unprecedented black swan event, and I think we are going to really suffer the economic fallout from what is happening in China. It's affecting the entire supply chain of imports. And of course, this is all the shops and small shops, SMEs where people were relying on that supply of goods. And with that disruption, what we're going to see, and it's pharmaceuticals as well, what we're going to see is probably big price increases as that supply chain is replaced.
Hii historia coronavirus, it have affected us so much. Because as you know, on month of February, it's the new year of Chinese people. They mostly came to our country for holiday. But now, this year, when the story started, nobody now is coming to our country. Because normally, like last year when it's on a new year for Chinese, we have a lot of business with them. So this year, it is totally affecting us so much.
Good, how are you? Can I help you find a laptop or a desktop? I can show you. This one is a brand new laptop. The coronavirus has really affected our business in one way, especially in supplies wise. So our suppliers, they don't have goodies, and they told us, they normally get the goodies from China, and China, nobody can go and buy something right now, and nobody can come from China. China, made in 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 China. All of these, do you see here? The goodies that we have right now will only keep us maybe maximum 1 month. After 1 month, we will not be having any goods to sell, because we have not been getting supplies for the last maybe 1 month or even more. We are only surviving with the goods that we had, and we, as our service, as employers and also employees, will be affected, because if we have nothing to sell, we will not be making money. We cannot feed our service, and we cannot even pay salaries, we cannot pay rent. It's affecting us in that was also in the coronavirus thing.